Hello everyone. Welcome back to Rizat Graphics. In this tutorial, you will learn to leave one color or color isolation inside of Adobe After Effects. This is a very useful and easy tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Anyway, let's get started. First of all, open Adobe After Effects. Go to File, then import the required footage. Now, drag the footage to create a new composition. I want to leave the yellow color. But you can apply the same technique to any color. The method is the same. Anyways, select the footage, and press Ctrl+D to make it duplicate. Hide the bottom layer. Then go to Effects and Presets. And search the Effect Color key. Drag and drop to the screen. Select the Color Picker tool. And select the yellow color. Then increase the color tolerance until you see the changes. Change the edge feather value to 2. Now, select the effect and press Ctrl+D to make it duplicate. Select the Color Picker tool, and select the dark yellow color. Let's fix the face color. Simply decrease the color tolerance. Again duplicate the color key effect. And select the Color Picker tool. Then select the brown color of the shirt. Oh, let's pick another color part. Decrease the color tolerance. Go to Effects and Presets. Search the effect of Hue and Saturation. Drag and drop to the screen. Now, decrease the master saturation to -100. Finally, unhide the bottom layer. Cool. Let's preview it. Amazing. Looks perfect to me. Go to File, then import another footage. Drag the footage to create a new composition. I am going to leave the purple and yellow color of the flower, by applying the same technique. Select the footage layer, and make it duplicate. Hide the bottom layer. Go to Effects and Presets. Search the Effect Color key. Drag and drop to the footage. Select the Color Picker tool. And select the light purple color. Then increase the color tolerance. Until the flower is removed. Looks good to me. Change the edge feather value to 3. Select the effect and make it duplicate by pressing the Ctrl+D key on the keyboard. Select the Color Picker tool, and choose the dark purple color. Then decrease the tolerance. Again duplicate the same effect. And choose the yellow color of the flower. Decrease the tolerance. Again duplicate the same effect. Finally, select the dark yellow color. Decrease the color tolerance. Looks good to me. Go to the Effects and Presets. Search the effective hue and saturation. Drag and drop to the screen. Decrease the master saturation to -100. Then unhide the bottom footage layer. The results are amazing. Can I get only 100 likes for this tutorial? Anyway, I hope this was helpful and you've learned a lot from this tutorial. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Good luck.